Hello, here we have the Hoover Convertible. This vacuum is pretty much all original, except for the bag and maybe the brush. I'm not sure about that though. And also, separately, I found the U9041 attachment kit for it, and has a converter and the hose and the bent extension wand and the dusting brush and the crevice tool. So yeah, pretty nice little package deal. So go ahead and vacuum with it regular first, and then I'll put the attachments on. So see how that works. So that's in floor cleaning, and hold on just a second and I'll put the converter in it. And then you can see with the hose. There we go. Sound So yeah, this is what it looks like with the hose on. This little plate thing here goes over the bottom of the brush roll. And it doesn't really make much suction, but I'll still let you listen to it. Thanks for watching. My YouTube account's the VGGDW Zine Kirby Collector. Look for more of my videos on YouTube.